I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. All right, yesterday was 172.9, I think. So I just want to see after the road trip and what I ate. Let's take a look. Oh, not bad. 173.2. So I guess I'm up, I don't know, a few points. Well, I'm not going to be sad about it. All right, well, I'll see y'all in a little bit. I got to take a shower. I'm stanky. Good morning. It's Thursday. I got my John 3:16 shirt on. I tell you, I found and was looking for a bunch of pool shirts that related to Jesus. But it's funny because when I did the search, it came up with a whole bunch of beach type, swimming pool type shirts. I'm like, wait a minute, no, that's not the right type. I took this yesterday. That's the wrong thing. Anyway, yeah, so no clue what the day holds today. Well, I will when I get to work. I keep everything on my calendar at work. Saturday, I have to take all 3 dogs to get their Bordetella stuff. And, I can move my trash can to the other side now. Whenever I have somebody in here, I definitely don't want my trash can like on their lap, you know. So I can put that back up here. So let me do that. Just a second. I used to take the what's that thing? My the seat cover off, and now I'm just like, nope, you can sit on the seat cover because I keep it on there. Let's see, I need my work badge. So funny, we're going one day, but in a way it feels like I haven't been back for a whole week. It's just funny. But anyway, all right, well, I'm still groggy, and I'll chat with you next thing. No clue. Bye. You know, I went to bed. I got this jacket on because I'm cold inside, but I went to bed at, I think it was like 9:30 last night. So I got plenty of sleep, but boy, doggies, I'm tired. And then I got pool tonight, though. So we've had 3 people on our team say that this is the last session for them. I don't know how long a session is. Like, I know it's a few months, maybe like, because I think we have 3 sessions in a year. There's like a week or 2 between them. So if there's 52 weeks, 52 minus 3 would be 49. You do the math. I ain't about that life. Anyway, yeah. So that's what I know. We got 3 people. Like, you know, their lives are busy and they don't have time for it. I understand that because I did that myself back in 2020. That sounds like Bugs Bunny. 20. I remember there was something he was talking about 20. What flavor we got today? Cran raspberry. Well, I'm pretty proud of myself overall for yesterday. Well, okay, wait. Ground beef, or my burger, it's a 1/3 pound, approximately a 1/3 pound. I seasoned it. This is what I made last night. Oh, hot. 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 But good. Anyway, I'm proud of myself for yesterday. Like they had, you saw they had the fried chicken patty things, and they had burgers, and they had toppings for the burgers and all that stuff, and then that dessert. So basically, when I think about it, so I had 3 servings of protein powder, because I had a serving of protein powder in my morning coffee, and then 2 of my pancakes. So 3 servings of protein powder, I'm going to guesstimate about a cup of egg whites because it's about a half cup of egg whites-ish whenever I'm for the 2 pancakes. So about a cup of egg whites, 2 meat sticks, I don't know, a bunch of rutabaga. Probably, I'm going to guesstimate about a half cup, somewhere in there of peanuts. And then my steak and veggies. And then last night I had my gelatin. So yeah, overall I'm pretty satisfied with myself. I did not get wild. And I even took 3 brats and didn't even eat them. So yeah, but I am exhausted. Drain. Definitely going to be drinking a lot of caffeine this evening for pool. So I have some veggies. It is some peppers, some broccoli, some cauliflower, and carrots. I microwaved it way too long. It's all mushy. Oh, it's hot too. I used the main microwave in the break room. That one's got higher power than the little one in the hallway. Well, that's all I know, y'all. Oh, it's only 10:50. I'm hungry. So I was like, I'm going to eat early. So that's what I know. I do have my I'm going to close my eyes a minute. I do have my my gelatin, my frozen gelatin, so I'll eat on that later. Yeah, that's what I know. I'm going to go inside and eat before I take a nap here, but it sure does feel good right here in the sunshine. Feel like a little dog, you know, they lay in the, if you have your, whenever I was a kid, we'd leave our front door open. Not like the exterior door, but the big heavy door. And there'd be a path of light, and we had a little toy poodle, and she'd lay on that, in that path. Sun would move and she'd move. So I feel why it like that, or she. I feel why her name was Chantel. I know why she liked it. I could do the same. Goodbye. Here's a little puppy dog action for you. She's eating her supper. She says, guys, I only like it when Mom puts it on the floor because I'm a weirdo. Anyway, so the Roto-Rooter guys just left. And, or not Roto-Rooter. I need a Speedy Rooter. That's this company. Hold on. Oh, I see it in there, Sam. Hang on. He sees that there's a piece of food. And here's a piece of food. There you go, buddy. Speedy Rooter. And I read the little receipt thing, and they call it AUG. They AUG'd, AUGED, my thing. So we're going to come downstairs for a second. I had to close off the area so Baxter doesn't go messing with Callie. So he ran a camera through that over there on out to the street. And he said there was no roots, no issues. So that makes me happy. So the problem is not with this side. And so we talked about doing that cap thing. And I said, but does that mean water will come up somewhere else? And he's like, yeah. He said the best thing is to put in a flap. And he said they would have to bust out concrete. Shoot, I ain't that worried about it. I'll just hose that down. Thank you very much. So anyway, so I'm not doing the backflow thing. It was a backflow flap. And then this is the one he did that he rooted. So let me get this all slid back. I know he ran the washer and stuff too. So I'll do with that on laundry day. I ain't got time for that mess. But anyway, so he came and he said that on out is fine. The issue was from here to here. And he said there was a lot of fur and a lot. There was fur in there, and a lot of fur. And and I said, oh yeah, and he's like, yeah. The only thing that could really actually ever fix it is that if you get a second dryer, and then you dry your clothes, and then you wash them, and then dry them. Which I don't know why I'd have to. Anyway, so I guess he's just saying to get all the fur out of them. Well, I ain't doing that. So I said, nope. I said, I'll call you in a couple years. When it does it again, he's laughing. He's like, okay. So anyway, yeah. So he ogged I'm just carrying y'all around. Don't be getting sick. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Ethel. It's treat time. Okay, good boy. And you, gentle. Baby shark, doop-doopy-doopy-doop. Baxter shark, doop-doopy-doopy-doop. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm excited. I don't have tree roots. That's causing issues. It was just dog fur. And so I'll be having them come and do it however often I need it. So he said it was pretty packed down, pretty tight. And I looked, the last time I had him was 2001. So yeah. So anyway, yay. Next project after I get back from Vegas is going to be having the repipe, whatever it is, from the water heater to my kitchen sink, because I need more water pressure for hot water. Y'all, look at this big old bowl. Oh, I got so many veggies in here. It's 3 of those, Adele is the brand, chicken and apple sausages. So 3 of those. And I've got some onions, peppers, rutabaga, squash, and cabbage. Oh, that's a tropical funnel spotted in Cape County. I wonder what that's a tropical funnel is. Anyway, so it's like tons of veggies, but I'm okay with it. Hey Alexa, what's 160 times 3?
106 times 160 times 3 equals 50,880.
Ziggy, or Alexa, what is 160 times 3?
160 times 3 equals 480.
So these sausages, there's 480 calories in them. Hey Alexa, how many calories in 1/3 pound of 93% ground beef?
1/3 pound of 93% lean ground beef is about 330 calories.
330, so 330. Alexa, 160 times 3? 330.
160 times 3 equals 480.
Oh, so it's a lot more to eat these sausages, but oh well, I didn't know. That's too hot. I ain't taking that bite. So, that's no supper. I'm so excited. I'm going to be able to do my laundry again. Woohoo! I mean, I've been doing it, but it's just been a mess. So, yeah. So it's pool night. I'm going to eat my supper. I am taking, whether I eat them or not, I don't know. I didn't eat them all last time. I'll be taking 3 of my market side beef sticks. And I'll be taking a little Ziploc bag with some rutabaga in it. So, like I said, Thursday night, there's all kinds of food. And I'm just rather have stuff that I'm okay overeating versus stuff, all that delicious food that people order in and bring in. So, all right. I love y'all. I got to go. I got to eat and then get ready for pool. Bye.